You're looking for a convenient and potentially rewarding way to manage your money. You've heard whispers about Vivid Money, but is it truly safe? Can you trust your hard-earned cash with this digital banking platform? Let's face it, online banking can be a minefield. Data breaches, security threats, and the ever-present risk of fraud are real concerns. So, before you dive headfirst into Vivid Money, it's crucial to understand the safety measures in place and whether they truly protect your funds. Vivid Money boasts several security features designed to safeguard your account. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a unique code from your phone or another device, in addition to your password, to access your account. Biometric authentication, utilize fingerprint or facial recognition for an even quicker and more secure login experience. Fraud monitoring, Vivid Money actively monitors your account for any suspicious activity, such as unusual transactions or login attempts from unfamiliar locations. Secure data encryption, your personal and financial data is encrypted using industry-standard security protocols, making it extremely difficult for hackers to intercept. Regulation and licensing, Vivid Money operates under strict regulatory guidelines, ensuring they adhere to robust financial security standards. Address potential concerns. While Vivid Money has implemented strong security measures, it's essential to acknowledge potential risks. Cybersecurity threats. Despite robust security, no system is entirely immune to cyber attacks. Phishing scams. Be wary of phishing emails or messages that attempt to trick you into revealing your login credentials. Human error. Mistakes like clicking on suspicious links or sharing your login details can compromise your account security. User responsibility. Ultimately, your own actions play a significant role in safeguarding your account. Strong passwords. Create unique and complex passwords for your Vivid Money account. Regularly review account activity. Monitor your transaction history for any unauthorized activity. Be vigilant for phishing attempts. Never click on suspicious links or provide your login details to anyone. Keep your software updated. Ensure your device and the Vivid Money app have the latest security patches installed. Vivid Money has taken substantial steps to enhance account security. However, it's crucial to exercise caution and practice good online security habits. By understanding the security measures in place and taking proactive steps to protect yourself, you can minimize the risk and enjoy the convenience of digital banking with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.